Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying to grill a fish. Grilled fish recipe is already there in my channel, but I showed that in a grilled pan. Today we're gonna grill this fish in a microwave. Yes, we all have microwave, but we rarely use the grill option in that. So today let's try it. Let's make a marination with some turmeric powder, sugar, red chili powder, pepper powder, oregano and some salt. Add some freshly squeezed lemon juice with some oil. Mix it really well and our marination for the fish is ready. Here I am using basa fish fillet which has no bones, so it's just perfect for my kids. But you can use any type of fish like big fish fillet or small fish pieces. Just nicely coat the fish with the marination. You can even add more ingredients into this marination like ginger garlic paste, garam masala, cumin powder and so on. Here I took a pan with parchment paper and greased it with some oil. And if you don't have a parchment paper, don't worry, just grease the pan really well. Place the fish onto the pan and pour around 1 tablespoon of oil on top of the fish. Now place it into the microwave. Here I place the pan on top of the medium rack. Select the grill option and turn the timer to around 20 minutes. And in between, say around after 10 minutes, just check the fish. If you are using small fish pieces, just flip it if needed. And if your fish looks a bit dry, pour some oil on top and grill it further. Now after 20 minutes, our beautiful grilled fish is ready. It just got perfectly cooked. You can serve it with some lemon juice and some mint. Look at the texture. It's just amazing. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.